Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you? Okay, let's sing the good morning song. Okay? Here. 3, 2, 1, go. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, dear children. Good morning to you. Okay. Do you remember the animals we did last time? What's this?
Fish.
Yes, it's a fish. What color is it?
Blue and with light blue stripes.
Oh, okay. So the fish is blue.
The fish is blue.
Okay. What's this?
Duck.
Yes, it's a duck.
It's a duck.
It goes
Quack,
quack, quack, quack, quack, quack, quack. Okay. What's this?
Lion.
Yes, it's a lion. It goes
Roar.
and it's big and scary. What's this?
Butterfly.
Yes, it's a butterfly.
It's a butterfly.
Okay, what's this?
Monkey.
Yes, it's a monkey.
It's a monkey.
It goes ooh, ah, 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 ah. Okay, what's next?
Dog.
Yes, it's a dog.
It's a dog.
It goes
Woof woof.
woof, woof, woof. Okay, what's this?
A rabbit.
Yes, it's a rabbit. Rabbits can
Hop.
hop. Yes, they can hop. What color is it?
Black and white like a panda.
Okay, yes, you're right. It's black and white. What's this?
Yes.
Yes, it's a cat. And cats go
Mm.
meow. Meow. Okay, good. What's this big animal?
Elephant.
Yes, it's an elephant. It goes poo, poo. Okay. And how about this one?
Kangaroo.
Yes, it's a kangaroo.
It's a kangaroo.
It can
Hop.
hop. It can jump. Right? Okay, good. And we're back to the fish. Okay, today we have even more animals.
What?
Yes, more animals. What's this?
Zebra.
Yes, it's a zebra.
It's a zebra.
It's a zebra. Okay, let's put it over here. What color is the zebra?
Black and white stripes.
Yes,
black stripes.
yes, it has black and white stripes. Can it run?
I don't know.
I think it can, yes. Zebras can run. What's this?
Frog.
Yes, it's a frog. What color is it?
Green.
Green, okay. It's a frog.
It's a frog.
Frogs can jump.
Jump.
Jump. Frogs can jump.
Frogs can jump.
Frogs can jump. What's this?
A bird.
Yes, it's a bird.
It's a bird.
It's a bird.
It's a bird.
Can it jump?
No.
Can it fly?
Yes.
Yes, it can fly.
It can fly.
It can fly. Next, we have a...
Turtle.
Yes, it's a turtle.
It's a turtle.
It's a turtle. Turtles can swim. It can swim.
It can swim.
It can swim. Okay. What's this?
Fox.
Yes, it's a fox.
It's a fox.
Can it swim?
No.
No, it can't. No, it can't.
No, it can.
Can it run?
Yeah.
Yes, it can.
Yes, it can.
So, it can run.
It can run.
It can run. Okay. Next, we have a...
Ladybug.
Yes, it's a ladybug.
It's a ladybug.
Can it fly?
Yes.
Yes, it can.
Yes, it can.
It can fly.
It can fly.
It can fly. What's this?
Bear.
Yes, it's a bear.
It's a bear.
Can it fly?
No.
No, it can't.
No, it can.
Can it run?
Yes.
Yes, it can.
Yes, it can.
So it can run.
It can run.
It can't fly.
It can't fly.
Okay, good. Next, we have a
Snake.
snake. It's a snake.
It's a snake.
Can it fly?
No.
No, it can't. It can't fly.
Can't.
Okay. And last one. What's this?
Whale.
Yes, it's a whale.
It's a whale.
Can it swim?
Yes, it can.
Okay, so it can swim.
It can swim.
Can it fly?
No.
No, it can't. So it can't fly.
It can't fly.
It can't fly.
It can't fly.
Okay, good. Now let's sing a song about 3 animals. Okay. So we're gonna sing about a fish, a zebra, and a frog. So look at the fish. It can swim.
Look at the fish.
It can swim. Swim, 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 swim. Now look at the zebra. It can run.
It can run.
Run, 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 run. Now look at the frog. It can jump,
Jump.
jump,
Jump.
jump,
Jump.
jump, jump, jump. Okay, let's sing together. Look at the fish, look at the fish. It can swim, it can swim. Swim, 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 swim. Look at the zebra, look at the zebra. It can run, it can run. Run, 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 run. Look at the frog, look at the frog. It can jump, it can jump. Jump, 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 jump. Okay, good job. Now let's do it again. Okay? Let's sing again. Look at the fish, look at the fish. It can swim, it can swim. Swim, 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 swim. Look at the zebra, look at the zebra. It can run, it can run. Run, 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 run. Look at the frog, look at the frog. It can jump, it can jump. Jump, 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 jump. Okay, good job. High five. Yay. Okay, so our English lesson for today is over. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Rebecca.
Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at the fish, look at the fish. It can swim, it can swim. Swim, 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 swim. Look at the horse, Look at the frog, look at the frog. It can jump, it can jump. Jump, jump, jump.